Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia. In today's video I will be showing you how I twist Havana twist right from the root, how to do a proper twist right from the root. So if you like to see it, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So what I'm doing here, I got a section of the hair I want to twist out and divide the section into two. Now I rolled my hair extension in between the two hair that I've divided into two, roll it from left and right and twist them out together. Hope you guys understand what I'm saying. I'm gonna repeat the process again one more time. Okay guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, support your girl by subscribing. In this channel I talk about more into hair, makeup, beauties, lifestyle video, and some bunch of stuff that might be interesting, that you might like. Okay guys, before we went into the twist, my client has her hair dye with henna dye. So if you like to see how I dye her hair, if you like to see how I've applied the henna dye on her hair, I've had a video on my end screen, or I'm gonna put the link down below if you like to see how I've transformed her hair into really dark color. Okay guys, this took me almost, let's say, 6 to 7 hours to have this hair done, and it was getting dark because I was filming this hair with daylight. So unfortunately I didn't have a perfect lighting where I wasn't at my own place when I was doing this hair. So hopefully you can see the end of this hair, because I couldn't show it properly because it was really dark. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you learned something, 1 or 2 things in there, please comment down below. Make sure you share, you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.